Hi, this is Steve King.
And this is Johnny Putman.
And this week on our video road test, we're taking a quick look at the 2012 Ford Edge.
The Edge is a 5-passenger, mid-size crossover SUV with a heck of a lot of competition. You've got the Chevrolet Equinox, the Dodge Durango, the Jeep Grand Cherokee, and the Nissan Murano. But as you'll hear and see, the Edge has a lot to offer.
One of the banner headlines for 2012 of the Ford Edge is the addition of the 2-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine. It generates 240 horsepower.
It's rated at 21 miles per gallon in the city, 30 on the highway. We got a pretty impressive 27 miles per gallon combination. On the short list of negatives for the Ford Edge, we'd have to say not having a power liftgate can pose a problem. If you're short and small, this is a heavy liftgate and it does pop up pretty high.
On the plus side of the ledger, you look inside and you're thinking, well, that's okay storage space, but watch what happens. You touch the buttons and magically the seats go down. Now that's the good news. The not so good news?
The seats do not fold flat, and I'm telling you, when you try to haul a couple dozen, a whole lot of plants, the fact that that's not a flat floor can pose a problem.
Also on our short list of negatives, the rear headrests. First of all, they really cause a problem with your visibility. You're looking in the mirror and you get these headrests blocking your visibility. Also, the headrests, according to the manual, are supposed to be removable. We, however, have not found that to be the case. It's tons of fun to try, makes for a great game for the kids, but just doesn't work. The interior of the Ford Edge continues the nicely sculpted theme that Ford has brought to a lot of its new offerings, and you've got a very comfortable seating area. If you have 2 tall passengers in the front, you might not want to be the person in the back seat. It's not horrible, but
you still have room for 3 passengers in the second row of seats. You'll find that the Ford Edge is just chock full of technology, including the integrated blind spot outside mirrors. Now, the cabin of the Edge is comfortable, it's modern, it's very well put together too. And as you pass across the dash here, you'll see that everything is very user-friendly, except,
well, there's this thing called the My Ford Touch system, which is way too sensitive and has a learning curve that is going to cause a lot of people some problems. And beyond that, one of the things we found with the navigation system is recently when we went up to Road America, it didn't realize that Road America actually existed. Speaking of all the nifty technology that the Ford Edge comes with, the My Touch system includes the gauge cluster, which allows you to go back and forth. You can make all kinds of changes between trips 1 and 2, fuel economy, various settings and information. One of the things that I'm really surprised at with all of the technology that is abundant in the Ford Edge is the fact that you have no option for a digital readout of your speed. Not surprisingly, one of the many technological advancements on the Ford Edge is the rear view camera, and with the poor rear visibility on the Ford Edge, you really need it.
One of the many impressive traits of the Ford Edge is its vault-like interior. You get inside, you close the door, and you have to be impressed with not only the quietness, but obviously that speaks to the quality workmanship.
And one of the other things we've been very impressed with is this Ford EcoBoost engine. We've had no problems merging on the expressway. It gives you all the power you need, reasonable gas mileage, and by the way, the handling, the braking of the Ford Edge is world class. In case you're wondering, the quirky color of the Ford Edge we're driving is ginger ale metallic. As we're driving it, the Ford Edge stickers at $36,410.
If you're in the market for a 5-passenger, mid-size crossover SUV, you really have to give the Edge a look. Not only is it chock full of technology and safety features, but this new EcoBoost engine really does allow it to hold its own with the competition.
For more on the Ford Edge, check out what our friends at Consumer Guide Automotive have to say on their Daily Drive website.